The world is full of color. Today you will learn the words to paint it. Namaste, my astute observers. Yesterday, we learned to ask powerful questions. Today, we will learn how to answer them with description and detail. A great Swami Vivekananda said, "You have to grow from the inside out." The words we use to describe our world, they first come from within. The words you are using, happy, smart, tall, are called adjectives. The power to use them rests on a simple golden formula. Subject plus the magic verb plus the adjective. He is smart. We are ready. This is the foundation for expressing your opinion about the world. And this golden formula works everywhere. In your office, the new project is important. At your college, this exam is difficult. This is more than a formula. This is the power of opinion. It allows you to share your unique perspective with the world. Remember this formula. It is simple, yet powerful. It is your foundation for describing your world with confidence. The foundation is now yours. For continued guidance, subscribe to Ujjwal Bhavishya, where wisdom meets.
Weakness. Professor, your formula is golden, but your students' vocabulary is not. They are infected with the very virus. Don't worry, Dr. Gyani has the cure. Coming up next.